Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the Bebras challenge, the exciting water slide. In this video, we're going to solve the challenge from part 1 and figure out from which slide Little Beaver then comes out. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to pause this video here and go back to see the full explanation before continuing. Okay, let's solve it together. Remember, every time a beaver passes a fork, that fork flips direction. So when the first beaver exits at slide B, we can figure out which directions the forks must have been pointing. To reach slide B, the beaver must go left at the first fork, then right at the second fork. But after the beaver passes each fork, both of those forks flip direction. So now, the first fork points right, and the bottom left fork points left. We still don't know the direction of the third fork yet. Next comes the second beaver, who exits at slide C. By tracing that path, we see that he first goes right, and then he goes left. This means that the first fork now points left and the bottom right fork points right. So now we finally know the direction of all the forks. That means we can also trace the route the third beaver takes, and then deduce the exit direction of all the forks afterwards. The beaver first goes left at the first fork, which flips it to point right, and then the beaver goes left, which flips the fork to the right. So the third beaver exits at slide A. Now we know the direction of all the forks just before Dan slides down. Let's see which slide Dan will slide down by following the current directions of all the forks. Dan travels through the slide system and ends up at slide D. So the correct answer is slide D. Mommy Beaver better run to that slide to get that picture. So today you used computational thinking. You tracked changing states, you followed logical rules, and you predicted the final outcome. This is the exact procedure a computer programmer would follow. This kind of step-by-step thinking is exactly what I do at work when I'm trying to understand what a program will do. Now the real question is, would you dare try Beaver Amusement Park's water slide yourself? If you want to try solving another challenge, you can find more challenges like this one on our YouTube channel. Thanks for solving this challenge with me, and I'll see you in the next one.